Hello friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel and Facebook page. Today, I will show you how to resolve the issue Windows cannot connect to the printer. Operation failed with error 0x00000bcb. Let's go start. First, copy the existing printer sharing location address. Copy the work the same way I am doing it. The copy file used for the next step is needed. Press the Windows key and type in the Control Panel, and click on Control Panel into the search bar. New Windows pop up and click on Category and select Small Icons for the menu option. Now select Devices and Printers. Click on Add a Printer. If not a single device is shown here, click "The printer that I want isn't listed." Click on the local printer or add manually. Next. Click on Create New Port and select the local port on menu. Next. Already previous copy the address, now paste it here. Click on Have Disk. Note, go to any browser and open it, and type the printer model name to download the driver. Click on Printer Model for new Windows pop-up. Choose your operating system, and go click. Select Drivers. Then click Download. Accept click. Open the click and go to the already downloaded drives and select the Run file. Follow me. Click Open and click OK. New window pop up, and you see Current Printer Model and Next. Select on Currently Installed and Next click. Again Next. Now Printer Sharing option, so we are select Share and click Next. Click Next. Press the Windows key and type in the Run, and click on Run into the search bar. Again, reconnect the printer sharing check. If you are first visiting my YouTube channel and Facebook page, please subscribe, like, follow and notify the bell icon click, and see your next updated video.